Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to exploded view in SolidWorks. Like this, you can see if I animate exploded, you can see like this. We want to practice to make exploded view like this in SolidWorks. Okay. First, to make the new part, click part and click OK. First, we start from top plane. Right click in here and click plane white. We start from center rectangle in here. For example, in here I set for unit in millimeter gram second and set the dimension in here in 200 millimeter, and for white I set in 150 like this. So after that we can apply fillet in here in 25 millimeter from this point, this point, this point, and this point. Just click OK, and we can to make a hole in here with circle, draw from this point, ensure this circle and this edge, click make concentric, and we can to mirror entities to mirror, click the circle, and mirror about, click or right plane like this. Set dimension for circle in here in 20 millimeter, for example, like this. Then after that, we just to mirror entities again, entities to mirror, click the circle and the circle, and mirror about. We can click here in front plane. Click OK. Then we just to export to side part in feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction in here is blind, and for dip in here I set in 20 millimeter. Just click OK. It's simple. This is the first part or part one. We can to change for the color in here, and for example in here or purple like this. Just click OK. We can save in top in here. Save as the part one explode view. Exploded view. Like there. Just click save. Then just make another part. Just click new and click part again. Click OK. For background, we can change in plain white again. And in here we start from right plane. Right click and click sketch. Draw line like this and this, and set for dimension in here in 50 millimeter, and for in here in I set in 90 millimeter like this. And we can to offset entities. Just click this line, reverse direction in here like this. For example, for in here I set in 20 millimeter like this. Just click OK, and then make a line in here. Click this point and this point to this point. Select feature and click extrude boss. For direction we can change in mid plane. In here in the length is 150 millimeter. Click OK like this. And we can apply fillet too in here in 25 millimeter. Click this edge and this edge. Just click OK. And rotate in here. Just right click in this face, click sketch, draw circle in here. Ensure the circle and this edge, click make concentric, and for diameter in here in 20 millimeter. Click mirror entities again and entities to mirror, click the circle and mirror about, click right plane. Click OK. And for feature, click extrude boss again with. For direction we can change in blind, and for dip in here in 20 millimeter. Just click OK like this. Right click in this face and click sketch, draw circle in here from midpoint in here, and set for diameter the circle in here I set in 40 millimeter. Feature and click extrude cut, and direction we can through all, change into all. Just click OK like this. So we can to apply fillet again in here. This edge and this edge, maybe in 20 millimeter. Just click OK. This. It's second part we can change for the color in blue here or green. Just click OK. Save this part in here. Click Save As and click Part 2 Explode View. The name is Part Explode View. Exploded View. Click Save. Then make one part again in here. Click New, click Part and click OK. You want to make the last part in here. Click right plane on front plane and click Sketch. Draw midpoint line in here. Draw like this. And right click and click Construction Geometry. For the line in here, I set in 160 millimeter and draw line this, 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 and this. In here, ensure this line and this line, click Control, click Make Equal, and for this line and this line, click Control and hold, click Make Equal again, and ensure this point, click this point and click this point, click Control and hold, click Make Horizontal. Then set for dimension in here, for the line in here in 20 millimeter for length, and ensure this point and this point, click Control, click Make Horizontal like that. And for this line I set in 15 millimeter, and for this line I set in 30 millimeter like this. Automatically in here is 42.5. Automatically in here is same in 42.5, because before we just to make equal this line and this line. So after that we make a sketch like this, just click feature and click revolve boss or base. Click yes, and automatically for axis of revolution is this line or line 1. Just click OK, and it is third part or the last part. We can to change for the color in here in maybe in yellow like this. Just click OK. Save this part. Save as in here part 3 exploded view. Click save. Then we just to make assembly for part. Just click assembly and input all part in here. The name is part 1 exploded view until part 3 exploded view. Click here, click input and click input. In here we want to make 2 part in part 2, so just click Control on your keyboard, hold and left click on your mouse and drag like this. It's simple. And we can do rotate like this. Just click matte in assembly, click matte, and for matte selection we can to start with standard matte. Click this face and click this face, click make concentric, just click OK. And again in here this face and this face, click make concentric and click OK. Then just click this face and this face, click make coincident and click OK. And in here is same like this. So just click this face and this face, make concentric and click OK. Click this face and click this face, click make concentric, click OK. And click this face and click this face, make coincident, just click OK like this. Then in here, the last in here, click this face and click this face, click make concentric, just click OK. And in here we want to make the same for distance, this face and this face, this face and this face, width, matte, click just it advance and click width in here. And for width selection, just click this face and click this face. And for type selection, click this face and click this face. Just click OK. And now automatically the distance, this face and this face, this face and this face is same. We can check in here, evaluate and click measure. click this face and click this face. For normal distance in 10 millimeter, we can close, click measure again, click this face and this face in here, click this face. For normal direction in 10 millimeter too, it's a center part in here, or symmetry part in the last part in here. So after that, we want to make explode view like first view in before. Just click in here, click this icon, or click configuration manager and right click on default assembly and click new explode view in here. For add step for feature, first we can select the part 3, just click this face, and in here for direction, in here 3 direction, X, Y, Z, you can to draw in Y direction. For example, I set in 70 millimeter and just click done like this. And for we can to add step again, click this feature and click this part 1 like this, and for we can to click in Y direction again to below in like this, and just click just input for distance in 70 millimeter too like before. Just click OK. It's a simple exploded view. You can click OK to save, and we can to see for the animate. So right click, we can click animate collapse, and then like this. It's so simple. And if we want to make we want to see explode view, just right click and click animate explode, click and done. It's so simple, especially for beginner. I hope this tutorial help you to learning SolidWorks, especially assembly and make exploded view in SolidWorks. Thank you very much for watching until the end. See you in next tutorial.